Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Chrome not opening Android. Firstly, if you have that problem, what you need to do simply, you need to first get off and try to figure out this Chrome from this extension by just taking on your cleaner section, and then you can back off that site. And also, if doesn't make sense of this section, what you need to do next, you can restart your phone, or simply you can go to your settings on your phone. Then you can scroll down, go for applications, on manage application site. On the search box you can type for Google Chrome. If doesn't show up that section, you can go for cancel. Then here, as you can find, the Chrome section is just by the name Chrome, it's not by Google Chrome on the settings side. Then you go for clear data, you need to clear all the cake right there, and then you need to get back and go to your Play Store, and on your Play Store you need to type for Google Chrome. When you get up into that section, you need just to make sure that you have the latest version of Google Chrome. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.